Hey guys, welcome to Anan Art, and today's video is about photograph drawing of one little girl that I once suddenly found her in the Instagram post story. I tried to find her but I still can't find her name. It's been years that I truly want to draw her, but I didn't have any chance due to my very tight schedule. I'm so glad now that I can draw her, especially sharing with you guys about the process. What attracted my soul to get into her universe is her eye. Its rare and unique eye color. Her eyes were a brilliant hazel eyes. It is also looking like brown blue or brown green. Too bad that I'm drawing in black and white now, but you still can see some process of drawing hazel eyes in the dark mode. How her eye attract my soul, that is when I can see the sea and deep forest, like the island isolate in the middle of the ocean, and those deep brown blue and green dancing around its edge. It's bring me to somewhere peace and quiet, safe and sound. I'm lost in myself more, while I'm looking into her universe. It's really captured my soul. Her hair looks like the wave. And those beautiful brown skin, my favorite skin color. Her full lips are like a jelly. We can tell that how lucky she is in this picture. One is her natural beauty. Two, she has somebody to taking care of her. Three, that bar start telling us that she's living in the comfort life. During the process of her drawing, it threw me back to 2012, where I was visiting orphans. I have brought some stuff for them. The staff there first showed me the outstanding student of the organization. There was not only the orphan, but some kids from the poor family which their parents can afford their education. They also sent them to join the class there as well. While I was walking across the window, I heard the repeat of the teacher's speech. Their sound seemed like a really motivated, strong vocal voice. With fully hope for a future, it wowed me that time. When I stepped into their classroom and they all greeting hello, my spirit was full of joy. Some of them, their parents passed away, left them behind in this cold world all alone, or some also have siblings to support. Most of them their parents abandoned, which never turned back. It's really disturbed me so much. How come their parents left all those lovely souls, while I see those sparkling eyes, which show me that it have the hope for the future for real. If you cannot find anything to inspire you, I suggest you should at least visit them once. In my memory, they were separate those kids in 3 divisions. The second class that I visited was the children with subnormality. It's hurt my soul. They don't even give a shine as a condition where they are all unable to learn and perform normally due to low intelligence. Children with severe and profound mental subnormality have a significant amount of brain damage and may have associated blindness, deafness, seizures, and other defects. They are fully dependent on the others for care and survival. Those children with borderline mental retardation are usually low achievers in school, and by proper training can lead an independent, normal life. I was taking some time with them, gave them some cookies, and play a little game. Then I went to another room, the room that has more story to tell, the room that has forgotten, the room that has a lot of poor souls whom can describe their own emotion in the world. They are all unable to do the normal activities like dancing, singing, running, or even speaking. What they can do to express themselves is only laughing or crying. It's even more confusing you that they are crying or laughing. It's actually broke my heart to see that with my own eyes and feel their pain in my own heart. I still can't even believe that It was a lot of sadness thing happened on this earth. And I realized how lucky I am to be able to born with healthy physical body and be able to do or go wherever I want, especially express my feeling outside. They were so happy to see me. Some of them ran to me and gave a hug, while some of them couldn't be able to walk and talk. So they gave me a smile from the distance on their wheelchair. It must be really hard to stand and grow alone, while you think that you are not smart enough to make just a small decision. You cannot choose where you were born, but you can change your life by your empty hand. Don't be a victim of someone's mistake. In this world, there are a lot of beautiful things for you to explore. Keep going and carry on. You will never know what's going on next in your new chapter. If you don't like your current situation, then change it. Move, you are not a tree. And trust me, it will be all good at the end. That is all of what I've saw during the process of her drawing. If you want the real-time video, then head to my Patreon. I appreciate if you stay tuned. There are more to come. Let me know what you think in the comment below. Give me thumbs up if you enjoy watching. And see you guys in my next video.